How much percentage must be added to the cost price of goods so that profit of 20% must be made after giving 10% discount? Now, let's assume the cost price to be 100. Now we want a profit of 20%. So therefore, the selling price must be 120. Now, whenever discount percentage is involved, you can use this formula. Selling price is equal to marked price into multiplier. Now, discount conceptually it is percentage reduction. So this multiplier becomes 1 minus fraction equivalent of the percentage. So in this case, it is 10% discount. So it becomes 1 minus 10 upon 100. So therefore, it becomes 90 upon 100, or you can say 9 by 10. Now selling price is 120. Okay. Marked price, we don't know. Multiplier is 9 by 10. So now solving this, marked price is equal to 1200 upon 9. Now, if we simplify this, marked price becomes 133.33. Okay. So therefore, we can say markup, which is marked price minus cost price. Therefore, 133.33 minus 100, that is 33.33. Now, markup percentage as cost price is 100, it will be directly equal to 33.33 percentage itself, because it will become markup upon cost price, that is 100 into 100. So therefore answer will be 33 1 by 3 percentage.